Hey guys, welcome to Kids Technology again. In the last video, I know I showed you a diagram, but I didn't show you how to build a diagram. And on this video, I'll show you and how to make the code. And so in the search button, say mega first, which if you don't know how to spell mega, which a kid doesn't know, and this is for kids. It's MEGA. That's mega. And press controllers. And at the beginning, you'll see this. And drag it here. And forgot what the app's called. It's called Circuit.io. I showed you the diagram on my other video. But in case you didn't know, I'm not building a Christmas light. I built one LED this time. A switch, and you'll know how I build it later. When you drag it to the mega, and then say switch. Yeah. So if you don't know how to spell switch, it's SWI and T and then CH. Switch, and it's not controllers, it's inputs. You have to, yeah, it's here. It's like this one. Drag it to the plus. You'll see the board and the push switch. Last thing is type in LED. You can call it a LED. But and then go down, and then you'll see this red LED. And then drop it. And a LED makes light, and this is the resistors. This is the Arduino Mega. This is the board where it's connected on, and this is the push button. I'm just telling you if you didn't watch the other video. Oh yeah, PictoBlox. This is PictoBlox, and I'll tell you where the blocks are. So wait. So the first block is here at the beginning, and it's at Arduino Mega. The second block is at control, and it's called a forever block. It's the third one. And then the next one is at control again, and it's at the fourth one. It will say, it's the fifth. And it's a if then else block. You drag it here, and in the forever block inside it. And you have to go on Arduino Mega again, and drag the second one inside the thing, like if you drag it, you won't see this. But drag it inside the if then block, and then turn it to 30, and then go on Arduino again, and then it's the fourth one, and set it to high, which it will start off when you drag it. It will start off as high, And then on the ends, drag it again, but this time put it low, and both of them are um 2 here, and the digital pin is 3 on this one. And last but not least, last but not least on PictoBlox, the second block, which is at the beginning, and drag it here on the bottom of the else block, and if then else block, I mean. And that's how you build the code and say upload code. I didn't do it yet. Wait, I already did it, but you have to press it. You and press the switch. You won't automatically turn on it. They go for 1 second. You have to press it for 1 second. And that's PictoBlox. I just said. This is the original like in real life if you didn't watch the previous video. And this is the switch in real life. These are the wires in real life. And oh, forgot to go to the diagram. These are the resistors. And this is the LED. You can call them LED. There's one. So, and this is, yeah. And so this is the board, which is wires inside it, which they connect. If you put the LED there, yeah, it will work. And there's wires inside. So then the switch here, and then the resistors are for connecting to it. Also, make sure to stay grounded for when you touch the Arduino Mega. It will stack. So if you rub your feet on the floor, your body will have static charge. And if you touch Arduino Mega with this static charge, it will break and not work. And it's for $10, but it takes a week to come. So make sure you're grounded. I bought my my grounded bracelet. I don't know what it's called, but I'll just call it that. But it's not here yet, so I just use a wire to stay grounded. And bye.